Hi YouTube, today I'm gonna show you how to change the air filters of this Touareg 2005 V8 Petrol engine. To replace these brackets or clamps, it's good to have this type of pliers. Now you can see with these pliers how easy is the process. Take the clamp, that's it. Open these little brackets. Here is the air filter. The place is absolutely enough to change it without any problems. Here you can see the new air filters. Here you can see the air filter is put it on place. Now we have to close everything in the back order. Be careful with this cable. It's finished with this side. Now I'll show you a very nice place. Here is very good to be cleaned. Now we are ready. If you enjoyed the video, please press the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.